Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this queen size boucle bed set here. This is gonna be a nice frame because it's super soft, looks pretty simple to put together. We have our instruction guide and all of our parts and pieces here. So let's get to work and put it together. So the first step is just to take these pieces, which is actually adjustable to an 8 or a 12-inch mattress, and screw them in to the right place down here. So you've got your washer and your screw. We're gonna line it up. Now they do give you an Allen wrench, but if you have a drill, I mean, obviously that makes it go a little bit quicker. And you don't want to tighten it all the way down until you decide what size mattress you have. And then at the end, we'll get it completely tightened down. Now that we've got that attached, we're just going to start putting in some of our cross beams. This is the L piece. All of these are labeled really nice, so that makes it super easy for assembly. So our next step is just the side rails. I've got it all laid out. We're going to need to put these L brackets on the side, and then we have this piece in the center to hold them all together. So all I'm going to do is just go through and screw all of this in, and then we'll move on to the next step. So now we're going to put the feet on here. Now you could add this directly on here and screw this in. I'm going to lightly put all 4 posts on, and then I'm going to slide this over the end with the bottom piece, and then we'll assemble it all together. Now I've got all of the edges all hooked in, and all I did was just put the screws partially in, and that way I can just lift this on, lock it in place, and then tighten all this down. Now on the top, you will need to actually use the Allen wrench because this is too big for a drill. So now that we got the whole frame together, we have these slats. Now I love how they actually have Velcro on the slats that just easily pull on there. You don't have to individually do any of it. You've got one set for the top and one for the bottom. So we will just start at the bottom and we will roll them onto the Velcro until we get to the end. All done. We've got the bed all put together. I've got my queen size mattress on here. Now I did leave a little bit of gap at the top here because we're gonna have our pillows, and I kind of like it being a little higher. But this fabric is super soft. I love how it's kind of got that like bubbly feel to it. And it's nice and rounded on all of the edges. So even down here at the bottom, you have a nice rounded edge, so you're not gonna come across and just hurt yourself through this. It's nice and got a little bit of padding on there too. But this nice soft feel goes all the way around, makes it nice and beautiful. It'll add a little elegance to any bedroom and look cute anywhere you wanna put it.